So Amazon and Flipkart are both having sales right now, the Great Freedom Festival of Amazon and the Big Savings Day on Flipkart. But if you are on a budget and want to buy iPhones, specifically the iPhone 12, 13, 14 and 14 Plus, then wait, don't buy these yet. As you might be aware that Amazon Great Indian Festival and Flipkart Big Billion Day sales are the biggest online sales of the year, and we are almost close to it as it starts around the 3rd or the 4th week of September, usually before Durga Puja, and so you are going to get heavy discounts on these iPhones, where you might get the iPhone 12 64GB variant at around 32 to 35,000 rupees and the 128GB variant at around 40,000 rupees. But you can spend a little bit more and get the iPhone 13, where it might be priced at around 43,000 for the base 128GB variant, and the iPhone 14 might cost you around 47 to 50,000 rupees, whereas the iPhone 14 Plus might cost you around 55 to 58,000 rupees. And if you have millions in a bank account, then the 14 Pro might cost you around 1 lakh rupees for the base variant, and the 14 Pro Max will cost you at around 1 lakh 10 to 1 lakh 15,000 rupees. Now one thing to notice is that the iPhone 12 might get discontinued after this, and even the iPhone 13 Pro Max won't even get a sale offer because it also might get discontinued because of the new iPhone 15 launch. And also all of these prices are expected by observing the previous behaviors of these sales, and these prices does not include any card offers or the crazy 10-second super low deal prices that almost no one will ever get a chance of. Looking at you, Flipkart. But what you will get a chance is to click the subscribe button. Bye.